What's up? It's Reborn Deluxe here, and I'm gonna be doing an American, 4th of July vlog. And the babies are in here, and we're about to go to my aunt's house, and then we're gonna go to the fireworks with my family. And so, yeah, this is what they look like. And guess what, y'all? I just found out that you would have to put, since the Learns to Potties babies don't actually have an off button. I was trying to figure out, because with the on the mode like just on, you would have to wait till she falls asleep for her eyes to like do something, so her eyes would be closed for like the whole time. Then I put her on try me, and now her eyes stay open. So I'm so happy, because last time I was making her talk and her eyes were like this. She was like, "No, mommy, are you on it?" And it was like this, and like, I'm so happy now. So yeah, whatever, I just figured that out this morning. So we're gonna go to Bojangles and get me something to eat. Then we're gonna go to my aunt's house.